There have been incessant spells of heavy rains that have been reported across different parts of the country, where flash floods, landslides have been triggered in the hilly states. Now, here are dramatic pictures that we are getting from Madhya Pradesh, where two bridges over a river were washed away in the flood fury in Madhya Pradesh's Datia district yesterday after water was released from an overflooded dam. In a terrifying video, one of these bridges, as you can see there on your screens, this bridge can be seen crashing down in the river due to the strong force of the water that is gushed out of the Manikheda Dam. Now these are pictures from the Datia district, which is in the Gwalior-Chambal region. It's been one of the worst hit with torrential rain over the last few days. Several teams of the Indian Air Force have been carrying out rescue operations in the flood-affected districts of the region. The Weather Department has further sounded a red alert for Shivpuri, Sherpur, Guna and 2 other districts, besides an orange alert for 9 and yellow alert for 8 other districts in Madhya Pradesh. Meanwhile, it's not just Madhya Pradesh, but also worrying scenes being reported from Uttar Pradesh, where the water levels of the Ganga have risen close to the danger mark. To make sense of all of these developments, we have with us GP Sharma, President of Meteorology and Climate Change SkyMet. We also have Dr. KJ Ramesh, the former Director General of IMD India, as well as an author with the Down to Earth. Thank you both very much for joining us this morning on NDTV. If I can begin, Mr. Sharma, by asking you about these extreme weather events that we've been reporting and those very dramatic pictures that we are seeing from Madhya Pradesh. Torrential rain, the floodgates of the dam were opened, and you know that bridge that can actually be seen crashing down into the river is extremely scary.
Yes, Rishika, this monsoon we have seen it's really playing a little truant behavior. We know it's reputation otherwise also, but then this season is very tricky and truant to the extent that earlier it drowned almost many parts of Maharashtra, especially Madhya Maharashtra. Yes. But now, as you said, Madhya Pradesh, that Bundelkhand area, the Chambal region, including of this place Datia, which you mentioned, Datia, Gwalior, Sherpur, Shivpuri, Ashoknagar. This is the pocket which has been having incessant rains for the last many days. Actually, there has been a monsoon system which is almost quasi-stationary over that area, and that is what has been causing a huge amount of rainfall. It is a day after day, every day, more than about 100 millimeter. It's getting saturated, and over top of that, what happens is during these rains, all the water bodies, be it lakes, rivers, dams, reservoirs, all they are full to the brim and they start overflowing.
Yes.
With the result, as we know, that they have released the water also from the dam now, so that compounds the problem. And as you said, these extreme weather events, obviously they are in the increase. It goes without any doubt. It's a stark reality that events have increased, high impact weather events have increased in the recent past, and particularly during the monsoon, when it is expected also that weather conditions will become inclement over most parts, and they become definitely over Madhya Pradesh this time. Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan, I will say these two pockets, East Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh, they are definitely alarmed and on alert to have this weather activity. Yes, Rishika.
Right. Dr. Ramesh, I want to bring you in on the point of where's the normalcy with the monsoon? Where are we saying that, the monsoon has been normal, there have been, regular spells of, normal levels of rain, because all that we've been reporting on is it's in extremities. It rains incessantly over a shorter period of time, and we know this is a vicious circle because obviously, the groundwater is not going to be able to retain this incessant rain. This is going to further compound into a drought problem. How do you see this entire vicious circle playing out, Dr. Ramesh?
See, what we talk about normal monsoon, it is for a seasonal scenario of 4 months, yes, from June to September. At the end of the September, we will have to see whether it is how much normal, above normal, below normal. The assessment is done well before the 2 months before the monsoon actually starts from Kerala. In April itself, this assessment is done, yes, taking into consideration of the conditions up to March. So we are not mixing up here. But our the intensity of heavy precipitation and wet spells and dry spells, these are the manifestation of climate change. Climate change regime is bound to have extreme weather events in between the season. Within the season itself, there will be spells. We have seen 15 days of lull in the monsoon this year in the early part of July, and now it has revived. And this will be a normal phenomena of extreme weather events and the dry spells simultaneously occurring. And whenever rainfall comes, it will be in this form only. Number of rainy days are less and the seasonal quantum is coming, means it is very clear that rainfall will be of intense spells, and that too will have this extreme rainfall in those areas. Low likelihood areas in the past will have the high impact events now. So that is what we are going to see. The heavy rainfall segment will be meandering. Even in this case, it will be meandering around Kota, Jaipur, Kota, Indore, Kota, Shivpuri, Kota, Gwalior, Kota, Jodhpur, like this. In that area only, heavy rainfall segment will be meandering in coming 2-3 days also. So this is what is the phenomena. We have to be ready and manage our reservoirs, the flows and everything accordingly. We will have to reposition all our response systems and water management systems.
Mr. Sharma, is that what it really boils down to, that one just needs to be prepared and ready to mitigate these extreme weather events? Because that clearly, you know, according to what Dr. Ramesh is saying and what you said earlier as well, is going to be the new normal.
Absolutely right, Rishika. We know that the monsoon this time as such we expected to be a little above normal, better than normal means it's on the higher side of the normal. That means more rains, more intensity, more flood-like situations, and that is we have already experienced. We are just about halfway through the season, and then we have had terrible experience even in Maharashtra also and Madhya Pradesh. And I am warning you, the conditions are building up now. This pocket of will improve, all right, after about 2 days, where we are having some difficult scenario at the present. But then along the foothills, okay, monsoon is going to take a little different stance now. Along the foothills of UP and Bihar, the rains are going to be tremendous. Give it another 3-4 days time, and another 5-6 days time, the rivers over the foothills over Indo-Gangetic plain, they are going to be in spate. They are going to overflow. Okay.
So you're essentially forewarning of what's going to happen in the foothills of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar as well. But of course, I'm completely out of time, gentlemen, but thank you both very much for joining us. It's an important story and one that we'll continue to track here very closely. Thanks so much once again for joining us.